In this video, we're going to create some lead sounds using the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. These techniques should translate to any similar type of synth. To begin, we'll set the scale to, let's say, 4, and we'll go to the mode and we'll select the octave. We're going to have the LFO, the VCO, and the delay, everything turned to the left, and the VCF, cutoff, envelope mod, 12 o'clock, resonance to the left, envelope, attack to the left, decay, 12 o'clock, sustain to the right. And we have simple sound. Okay, so let's look at making it a short sound suitable for arpeggiators. So to do that, we'll take the sustain and the decay all the way to the left, and with an arpeggiator using the Behringer JT4000 micro, we have a nice tight little arpeggio sound. If we were to add some delay, nice. Okay, so turn the delay off for a second. Okay, let's make it a little bit more interesting. So we have a little pluck. Let's give it a little sustain. And we'll give it a little detune to give it some character. If we go too much, we get that. So we just... and with the arpeggiator. So let's play with the VCF. We're going to take the cutoff. We're going to take it to, say, 10 o'clock, and envelope mod to about 2 o'clock. Bring the resonance up. We'll go to 12 o'clock to start. Nice. Okay, let's make it a little bit longer. And let's see what happens with the VCF mod. We'll bring in some rate so we get some speed. Nice. So let's bring the envelope mod to the other way, and we'll bring the cutoff to 2 o'clock. So we're envelope mod about 10, cutoff around 2. A little less of the VCF mod. And let's add a little delay. So, next up, let's bring it so that we have a long sustain, but we'll have a tight decay and release. And let's see if we bring the VCF mod up and bring the cutoff down. Bring up more resonance, make it a little bit more in your face. And let's add a little bit of modulation to the envelope. If we go too far, so Nice. So let's make a long sort of synth sound then. Currently we have this. We'll take the delay off. A little bit less of the modulation here, and we'll take that off for the moment. And let's change this over to ring mod. Let's bring it so we have no sustain, but we have a long release. And we'll bring the cutoff down, envelope mod up with an arpeggio. And then let's bring the VCF mod back. And a bit of rate. And we'll turn the envelope mod back, bring the cutoff up. Let's bring this back to the 12 o'clock position and add some sustain. Cutoff down, envelope mod the other way. There you have it. Some easy arpeggiated synth sounds for the Behringer Phara-o-mini Synth. Thanks for watching.